Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. It's actually really easy to do. So what we have here is the instant digital camera, the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera, and it's a really cool like instant style digital camera. So you can use it as a digital camera, or you can print it out as an instant camera. It's really cool. It sort of does a really good job at doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and it has a rechargeable battery, and you have to recharge the battery. It's really easy to do. So if you take a look on the side here, you can see that there is a port right here that says USB, and it's going to be right over there. Okay, so not this up here, not down here, literally that port there that says USB. Okay, and it comes with a USB cable. Okay, so what you're going to do is very simple. Basically, on the USB cable, you're going to see that there's one end that has this larger USB type of connector. You're sort of used to seeing that. And then the other end is going to have this smaller USB type of connector. You're probably used to seeing this as well from charging modern devices. So what you're going to do is take that smaller USB connector and you're going to plug it into that port over there on the side, just like that. And then the other side of the cord, which has the larger USB connector. This is the part that you're going to use to charge. So, you know, like the USB power bricks that you sort of like plug your phone charger into, and like things that you would use to charge other devices. You're going to get one of those, you know, and you're going to basically use this end along with a USB power brick to power it up. So basically the same way that you would connect your phone to a USB power brick, you're going to connect this digital camera to a USB power brick, and then that's how you're going to charge it up. I believe you can also charge it up by plugging it into like just a regular USB device. I think I read that you can charge it up by plugging it into like a laptop as well, but I'm not sure about that. But basically, you're going to use it, you're going to charge it up in the same way that you would charge the phone. You plug this end of the charging cable into the camera, and the other end over here gets plugged into a USB charging brick, a USB power brick, and then you give it power that way. Very simple, very straightforward. It's, you know, there's nothing else to it. And then you charge it up. When you plug it in, there's also going to be a light that illuminates that lets you know that it's charging. And that's basically it. Very simple. I don't have a USB power brick here in my van, and I don't want to plug it into my van right now. So yeah, or else I would show you the full thing, but you get the idea. Plug it into the USB power brick and charge it up in a very similar way that you charge a modern phone or a modern tablet or any other modern device like that. And that's how you charge a digital camera. Really easy to do. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.